tried unplugging that and plugging it into the device, the fridge, just the fridge. But now I've unplugged it and plugged just my Sterling charger onto it, and I'm going to see how long that'll last. Yeah. So my Sterling mains charger, 6 amps, and that's running flat out. Yeah. The 12.1 watts. I haven't got my glasses on, I can't quite see. Hang on there. Let's go for the glasses. No, 121 watts. 121 watts. So she's on 100%. We'll see how long it'll last like that. Well, it's still 121 watts it's pulling, but the battery is still at 100%. It's still pushing 6 amps now, and I turned it on at 8 o'clock, so it's not even budged, because this mains charger, totally separate circuit. There's an RCD behind for that one. This is on the ring main. That's totally separate. The socket that's on the edge of the bed, that's on that same ring main. Another one there, that's on that ring main. I'm still being very quiet because they're all in bed. Yep, 8:34. That's still running. What we on there? Yeah, still 100%. 123 watts now. The charger's on 6 watts still, 6 amps. Sun's bringing now in nearly 5 amps. I'm using nothing. Kettle's on, laptop's on, inverter's on. Let's put that on the ring square, eh? There you go. Still haven't washed up yet. I'm not on holiday, I ain't going to either. 9:20, and my battery is up to 13.5 volts. Solar's only fetching in 3 amps, and what we got there, I'm down to 80%. I haven't got my glasses on again. Still pulling 120, 123 watts, but now I think the fridge has come down to temperature, so I'll turn him off now. Let's have a look. Press and hold. Oh. There you go. And that just shut down. That'll do me. I'll turn him off first before I unplug him. And now, Power Oak 120 watt solar panel is now plugged into my solar, so now I've got 320 watts, and these are directional, so, but there's no sun out today. Now that's going direct to my solar, so now I'm plugged into that, and because it's got its own built-in solar charger, I'm plugged in and charging that off my own solar that's on the van. So it's not only charging the batteries on the van, but it's also charging this. How brilliant's that? Nope.
Tomorrow.
I haven't. No, it won't be until about Thursday. I expect by the time I've done all my editing.
It's quite a nice view here. Look at this.
Beautiful, isn't it? Now there's not a whipping box getting in the way.
That's the important thing. Is buy some churros.
As soon as this is done,
Yeah, we're going on a walk.
churros.
Yeah,
You
it's not
could go
bad
get
actually. That.
No, alright.
Yeah, it's not bad that.
Should I leave it there or should I put it on that?
You can put it on that if you want, but that's fine there. It picks you up all right.
Okay.
You might have to tweak the gain a little bit when you edit. A little bit.
Just turn it up a couple of dBs.
Yeah.
No worries. That's very sweet, that is. Oh, I can smell. It's changed. As if you need more buzzing. You got.
It's fucking hair and makeup or something. Where is she? Where's the talent?
Yeah.
Where's the talent? Yeah.
Not bothered about the fact that they can see. You can see.
All right, I'm gonna say you can see clearly.
Yeah, because they're going to ask questions about that.
Just put your drink on it like it's meant to be there for something.
Yeah, that's what it is for.
Yeah.
It was just cuddling it. It needed a cuddle.
Hold in.
We're rolling.
They hate it.
Fuck's sake. Right, we ready?
We're ready.
That was a lot of oxygen, wasn't it?
Serious face. No, then it's resting bitch face. No.
You know what day it is. MotorHome Mondays. But it's with a twist today. I am being asked questions by these two. Tash from Life Beyond Bricks and Mandy from John and Mandy.
On tour.
On tour.
But we're not, we're in a field. That's alright.
We're kind of stationary at the moment.
Yeah. Okay. If the questions are on the floor, so if you could go back in time, which era would you choose?
Probably like the 60s or 70s.
Why is that?
Because everything wasn't invented then.
Ah.
Like technology was just starting, and I reckon you could have got. I know probably hindsight's playing a lot of this, but I reckon you could have got rich pretty quick, pretty easy.
If you knew what you knew now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's a lot out. There was a lot to be done then, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
You could buy a house for 50p.
Yeah. and the computer for the day.
Is there anything about yourself you've never told anyone?
Oh right. But is it like a? It's a bit of a. It's a motorhome related story.
It's only us listening, no one else. Can hear it.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
We won't tell anyone.
It made me feel calm on set. Yeah. I sleep in my birthday suit.
Thank you for the visual.
Yeah, it's great for your breakfast, isn't it? And obviously, I woke up one night, needed to go to the toilet, so I'm getting down from the bunk, and now I hook a ladder to get up to the bunk. Right, so where you hook the ladder, there's a little notch where and then the ladder's got hooks. Now I was coming down the ladder, and obviously, you know, you're over between the two, and let's just say some hairs got wedged in that little gap, and I didn't know they were there until I dropped down the ladder, because I know the ladder, how long it is, and those hairs stayed and I didn't.
No.
And to say I screamed like a little schoolgirl is an understatement. And then I didn't go back to bed because I was bleeding for about an hour.
Oh.
Moral in the story is make sure your junk's stowed.
That's a motorhome moral I've ever heard of.
Yeah, that really, really hurt. And it's something you think would never, ever, 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 ever happen.
Make sure.
But hey, that's something I haven't told many people.
Well, there
and
you go.
now you all know. Enjoy
now-
your breakfast.
And now just 2 more people know. Is that it?
Is that
That's
it?
all the
Is that the
questions.
grilling?
That's all the
It
questions.
still wasn't so bad, was it?
Yes. Done.
So, if you like this one, I'm
Yeah.
going to get in on this one, and you want any other random, not particularly van life questions done, we can do a round 2.
Yeah, I'm up for that.
We don't need an excuse to meet up and get
No,
together,
no.
but we will. If
No.
you know
Or
questions.
these can be grilled next time, or we can grill some of the lads.
No.
The two Johns need grilling.
What, just
I
one
think-
grilling, John? Just one grilling?
I think the two Johns could be grilling, or you know, any other comments or suggestions, drop them in the comments below.
Yeah.
But yeah, head on over and check their channels out. links in the description below.
Oh, easy for you to say.
Yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed this episode, guys, and I will catch you on the next one. Take it easy, guys. Bye.
What do you reckon? One take? Then get us on.
Ken.
Remember what the magistrate said? Is the step too big for you?
Yeah.
Hello, Louis. Puppy. Hello, Louis. Puppy. Hello, Louis. It's a strange man. Whip it, stay away from strange man.
Get off my bloody camera. Right. Hello, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that. That's just what was left over from making the videos. There was a lot more footage than that, but there's a lot of drone, and it was in areas because I was just practicing. I was doing the odd stunt things, and none of that. The wind was way too high to get any decent footage for me. The drones that light, the wind kept taking it away. I lost it once. But anyway, this is just to say, we've got this. My next time out is the 19th and 20th of September, and yeah, as you can see by the background, that this is where I'm going. I will be in the YouTube village there, so yeah, you're quite welcome to come down. There will be tickets in the windows to know whether you can come and visit us or not. You know, it's this distancing thing. I don't think I want an awful lot of people in my van, so because of my age. So if I show you there, it's the International Camper Van Show and the Overlander Show. It's at Stratford Racecourse, and if you want to come, I've got a discount code for you, and you'll get a 20% off your total, whichever. So there you go. There's my discount code. If you can see it in the it says WWLSE20, and you'll get a 20% discount. That's nice of them to give me that, isn't it? So yes, I am in Womble HQ, and I'm editing in this video, and it will be up tonight, I hope. Right, thanks very much for watching. Now see the tail end of Mevy.